The digital age, the easiest age to just click a couple buttons and boom, Amazon drops off a box. It's never been easier to purchase things than it is right now. One of those things would be one of the most notorious, hated, despicable products on earth, even though that product protects the ones you love, which is really the most important thing. It's easy to buy life insurance. You want to know what? It's never been easier to buy the wrong life insurance. Why the hell is life insurance important? Why or who or what or where I buy it? Well, is your family important? I would say yes. Do you work 40, 50, 60 hours a week to put food on the table and pay for a mortgage or pay rent, basically protecting your family? Do you pay for cars? Do you pay for school? What else do you pay for to protect your family? I saw a guy in Finish Line 2 weeks ago. Had like 15 kids with him. He was buying 4 pairs of sneakers. And in my head, I was like, I wonder if this guy has life insurance. Like, see all these kids? The kids loved him. He loved that. Like, it was a big old family. It was amazing. And because I own an agency that protects families every day, that's how I think. I just think that way. I want to know, oh, man, do you have life insurance? I almost asked him, but I'm not that sales guy. Hey, sir, you got 19 kids. Do you need life insurance? Anyways, what if he doesn't? Just think of that. Think of the mindset of the person that would spend $300 a day at Dunkin' Donuts or, a pack of frickin' cigarettes a day. Just think of that cost. Holy jeez. But you don't want to buy life insurance. You don't want to make sure your wife, your spouse, whoever can sustain mortgage payments. You don't want to purchase something that has you staying out of your own savings to cremate or bury you. Why do we hate life insurance so much? Well, even if you hate it right now, it's really easy to buy. Why? It's flooded on social media. Ethos, veterans, you name it, life insurance is everywhere. And guess what? 9 out of 10 of the ads that you see are complete bull. It's true. You want to know why? Because they're clickbait. You ever fill out one of those awesome forms online and then your phone rings 497 times in the next 2 hours? And then it constantly happens every single day for 2 or 3 weeks until they get sick of trying to get a hold of you. So then 6 months later, the next person that bought your information from filling out the same form is dialing it. That's the industry. I'm in the industry. I know how it works. It's not how we work, but I know how it works. The ads on the coffee table or the ads that you see pop up online or in your email, they look really, really juicy. But how many of you have gone to buy life insurance yourself and haven't liked the cost? Well, because what you see and what I see are two different things. I'm licensed. We have access to certain things. It's almost like you're sick and you walk into a drugstore. You have access to the over-the-counter stuff. I've got access to the stuff that's behind the counter, right? That's why it's very important to talk to a licensed professional, not buy life insurance yourself. If you have clicked purchase without talking to a licensed professional, a true licensed professional, not the sleazy salesperson, not the customer service person, someone who understands what they're doing. If you didn't talk to anybody, you are 100% in the wrong life insurance, which means what? You are not protecting your family the proper way. Stop hating the words life insurance. Think of it differently. Think of it like, I'm going to protect my family for the rest of my life, even if I'm dead. That's what you're buying. Now, I make content on life insurance. Mike, you're the most boring person. Why do you want to talk about life? I don't want to talk about life insurance. I want to talk about protecting your family. I want to make sure your family is safe because I see nightmares every day where families aren't safe. Or I see nightmares every day where the family has talked to a commission-hungry agent who could care less about your daughter, your son, your husband, your wife. All they care about is dropping money in their bank account. The industry had already started to shift, and now everything, all of these marketing companies, every single life insurance agent on planet Earth right now is probably running Facebook ads or buying leads from Facebook, Google, YouTube. Doesn't matter. It's all lead gen style sales. It's still the right way to buy life insurance through a licensed professional. But the biggest problem is, who the hell can you trust? Life insurance doesn't need to be difficult. If you were to hire a babysitter right now, would you just hire the first random babysitter? Like if you were to put out an ad, hey, I need a babysitter, and then you got swarmed with phone calls. Oh yeah, sure, you're good. Let's go, right? And then they show up and you have no idea their history. You have no idea what their credentials are. You have no idea how long they've been doing it. Any reviews, testimonials, licenses, references? If we go shop, we want the most for the lowest cost. That is the absolute wrong way to buy life insurance. Do I mean spend a ton of money on life insurance? No, keep the cost down, but you have to find the right product. And I think whether they think the VA does a lot more than they do because they don't do anything, that's the next video I'm making. I am going to break everything down from the VA. Quick story. One of my clients, he was on the phone with me. His wife walked in the door. He said the worst thing you could ever say to her. I'm on the phone with the insurance guy. She sat. Oh, they're trying to scam you. Get off the phone. I already got it taken care of. Miss Patricia, can you please just sit down for 2 seconds and let me tell you who I am, what I do, and why I do it? She sat. I told her. She went ahead and bought the policy for him that she wanted to get. He went ahead and bought the policy we talked about. Well, 37 days later, this man died. Now, I got a phone call 2 months later, and it was Miss Patricia. My husband passed away. I just want to tell you that I got a check for $133 from the policy that I took out on my husband. I just got a check for $20,000 from the policy he took out with you, and I would be totally screwed without it. How do you know when you click on an ad online what experience the person has? You don't, unless they're A-rated on the Better Business Bureau, both of my companies. Unless there's hundreds and hundreds of 5-star reviews. Google Timeless Protection. We are now partnered with the DoD or DOW for this SkillBridge program. Some of you might know what that is, some of you don't. I guess the point I'm trying to make is you can buy it anywhere, but the human element will always be a part of life insurance, whether it's just manual underwriting, because everything is so automated. AI this, AI that. Like, is that what you trust to protect your family? Although, I would trust AI more than most of the agents out there. I'm not saying agents are bad people. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying that life insurance is super complex, confusing, and the industry is lucrative, which means it attracts people who want to make money. What's the first thing on their mind? Making money. And if you guys like this content, hit the like, hit the subscribe. If you're a sales rep, if you're in any type of industry where you've got to talk to clients and you like the content, hit the link, hit the subscribe, hit the follow. Let's grow a new culture here of expertise, whatever you're in. Instead of using sales tactics, instead of using, I'm the king of objections, how about we just do our damn job properly? So if you're out there right now and you're a consumer and you need life insurance, text me, call me, 860-710-3296. I will hold true to my word. I don't care about selling you life insurance. What I care about is that you know what is right, what is wrong, who you should never talk to or even think about buying for life insurance. Basically, anybody that you see from a credit union, TV ad, anything in the mail, anything out of a magazine, it's always going to have a 2-year waiting period, or it's going to increase in price every 5 years and drop you at the age of 80. Is that how you want to protect your family? No, you need skilled, seasoned professionals, not inexperienced experts. And if you're a veteran, not a kid who thinks Agent Orange is a Netflix special, you need the proper help. Let's go over some statistics really quick. 60% of insurance transactions now happen on mobile devices, which means you're scrolling some form of social media to buy your life insurance. Watch out. I run ads on social media. My ads are me screaming into the same camera I'm looking at right now saying, please don't buy off of these not these people, but certain companies. Look for certain things, red flags. We're here to educate, advocate, and serve, not sell, sell, sell. Clients come before commissions, always. Online buying went from 6% in 2019 to 13% in 2023, and now it's above 20%. You can buy a policy in minutes. No medical exam. Let's clear this myth up. Oh, you said that there wasn't anything medical. You said there was no exam. Why are you asking me health questions? Well, I'm asking you questions. I'm not examining you. Like, I'm not jabbing you in the leg with a needle, taking blood or whatever. Day one, proper life insurance. That starts the second they pull your payment. That never changes in price. That never expires if it's whole life. That never changes in price if it's a term policy. It can only be issued from a licensed professional. Licensed professionals have the key to the proper coverage. It's just, what licensed professionals can you trust? Check credentials. I've got a retired Master Chief on my team, and he says, trust but verify, right? So trust but verify. Stop putting your family's financial futures in the hands of someone that's done this for 2 weeks, or someone that puts commissions over clients. You'll never get that from us. Mike DeCecco, Timeless Protection. We protect veterans. A-rated, Better Business Bureau. I've been in this industry forever. I've sold 2,500 plus policies with a 90+% retention. I know what I'm doing. We talk to people transparently. You know, sometimes you don't even really need to know everything. You just need to be genuine. You guys have a blessed night. Until next time, protect your family the proper way. If you need us, information is below. Click, subscribe, text, call, follow, ring the bell, hit the like. Let me know. Appreciate you.